How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Mojo Grip. Mike here. What if I told you that for the price of a used Toyota, you could own your own actual helicopter? Aircraft ownership is somehow the most affordable it's ever been post-pandemic. We're diving into the most insane aircraft that you can actually afford. One of them was built in someone's backyard. Let's count down the 7 cheapest helicopters and airplanes you can buy right now for the same price as a car. Number 7 is the Mosquito Helicopter. Starting with the Mosquito, a one-man do-it-yourself helicopter that costs under $50,000. Yes, you build it yourself, or you can find one cheap already built. No, this is not a toy. This thing actually can fly up to 90 miles per hour. And there's several pilots who fly them around the country today. But would you trust a helicopter built with IKEA tools? Here's some of the specs on the Mosquito. Your cost is approximately $50,000. Your fuel burn, about 4.5 gallons per hour. The pros, dirt cheap and one hell of a ride. Cons, well, you built it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter on Mojo Grip for more insane aviation stories. You can go on to mojogrip.net/more. And number 6 is the Cessna 150. This is the Toyota Corolla of the skies. The Cessna 150 is built like a tank. No, I'm not kidding. Depending on your weight, you will find that this airplane actually flies like a dream. And you can scoop one up right now for about $35,000 if you're lucky. This is one of the planes that flight schools use to beat up their students, and they keep flying forever. One guy flew his Cessna 150 from Florida all the way to Canada, and he spent less on gas than you would on a weekend road trip. Here's some of the specs on the Cessna 150. Your cost, $35,000 to $45,000. Fuel burn, about 6 gallons per hour. Pros, classic, reliable, affordable. And your cons, well, it's slow. But of course, it flies like a dream. While you're shopping for a cheap aircraft, remember that you also have to learn how to fly them. To get your pilot's license in a few months, check out our flight program at lookupflightacademy.com. We fly all modern airplanes with sophisticated glass avionics. To get started, just go on the website, leave us your contact, or you can book a demo right on the website in just 60 seconds. And number 5 is the Roadaway. It looks like a rich dude's helicopter, but this one's for broke ballers. You can get a used Roadaway helicopter right now for less than the cost of a new Toyota minivan. It's a 2-seat, 180 horsepower machine that's just smooth enough to make your friends think that you won the lottery. Here are some of the specs on the Roadaway. Your purchase price, between $50,000 and $70,000. The build time, about 300 hours. Pros, looks expensive. You've got dual seats. And the cons, you need careful maintenance. Number 4 is the Ultralight Trike. This isn't really an airplane. It's more of a hang glider with wheels and a lawnmower engine. But it is legal. Under FAA Part 103 regulations, these ultralights don't require a license to fly them. You only need your driver's license to fly one, so strap in and go fly. It's perfect for adrenaline junkies and backyard cowboys. Here are the specs of the Ultralight Trike. Cost, between $6,000 and $12,000. A pilot license is not required, and your pros are it's easy to fly, depending on who's flying, it's super cheap, and your cons, you will get tossed around like a kite in high winds. Number 3 is the Air Cam. Ever wanted to fly low and slow over the Amazon with a GoPro in each hand? The Air Cam was designed for National Geographic, and now it's a dream machine for private pilots. It's got dual engines, open cockpit, and insane views. Feels like you're flying a camera tripod. Pros, you've got 2 engine, which equals safety. Your cons, it's not the prettiest bird out there. Number 2, we have the Helicycle. One of my favorite single-pilot helicopter. Built by one man with the right tools, and it's powered by a jet engine. Yes, this helicopter uses a turbine engine. The Helicycle is the single-seater rocket you never knew you needed. It sounds like a fighter jet and flies like one too. No, I'm kidding. But really, this helicopter actually comes in handy for those who wants to build turbine time. You can log actual turbine time in this experimental helicopter. Here are some of the specs for the Helicycle. Costs approximately $50,000. You've got a jet engine in there. So in some cases, the engine itself costs more than the entire aircraft. Your pros, wild performance. Your con, it's a single-seat helicopter. And we've saved the best for last. Number 1 on the list today is the Benson Gyroopter. This is a real thing, a flying lawn chair with rotors, built in the 50s and still flying today. You can find one online right now for less than $5,000 if you're lucky. While it's not recommended for the faint of heart, here are the specs for the Benson. Costs approximately $4,000 to $10,000. Your pros, dirt cheap, and it's also cheap to fly. Cons, you will absolutely terrify everyone. Everybody thinks that flying private is only for the rich. But here's the truth. Flying is for the curious, for the rebels, for the ones who just would not settle for traffic. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and also subscribe to Mojo Grip if this is your first time. Again, don't forget to join Mojo Grip newsletter. It's absolutely free and you get updated with every new video drop. Comment below and let me know which of this aircraft is your favorite. Until next time, I will see you on the next video.